Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer deal attachments from Salesforce to OneDrive, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Salesforce login page. Enter your Salesforce credentials to log into your account. Once logged in, locate the deal for which you want to transfer attachments. Access the deal by clicking on its name in your dashboard. Scroll down to the attachments section of the deal page. Identify the specific attachment you wish to transfer. Click on the name of the attachment to open it. Once the attachment is open, look for the download option. Click the download button to save the file to your local computer. After the file has downloaded, open a new tab in your web browser. Navigate to the OneDrive login page. Log into your OneDrive account with your credentials. Once logged in, go to the folder where you would like to save the attachment. Click on the Upload button located in the OneDrive interface. Select Files from the drop-down menu. Browse your local files to find the attachment you just downloaded. Click on the file and then select Open to begin the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete, which may take a moment depending on file size. Once uploaded, you will see the attachment listed in your OneDrive folder. You can now access the attachment from any device that has OneDrive installed or is connected to the internet. Repeat the process for any additional attachments you need to transfer from Salesforce to OneDrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.